another one. Hello beautiful people, it's me, your local diva Anurag, and today I'm on a quest for authentic Nepalese food here in the city of joy, Kolkata. Now, for those of you who don't know me, I'm from the Darjeeling hills, and it's really difficult to find like really authentic traditional dishes from the hills here. However, a little birdie told me that a certain restaurant in town is offering authentic, traditional and delicious Nepalese, Chinese, Tibetan and Bhutanese food. So of course I had to come check it out. So welcome to Hill's Kitchen. So guys, I'm here with Mr. Trilok Thapa, who is the co-owner of Hill's Kitchen. So can you tell us how and why you started this restaurant?
Yeah, hi. First of all, we wanted to bring the Buddhist cuisine to Kolkata. We lived in Bhutan all my life, so we want to offer something new for our local people here. And this is a joint venture between me and Mr. Vipul Burma. He's also one of the he's the owner of Press Media. So we have gone a long way. So we came back and thought of bringing something new to the local. I was raised in Bhutan, and coming back to Calcutta, I couldn't find any restaurant that offered Buddhist cuisine. So I thought it would be a unique place to sell, serve Buddhist cuisine to the local people here. That was the idea behind it.
Okay. So what does your restaurant offer that makes it different from other similar restaurants in town?
Good question. Nothing as usual, but just we offer Buddhist cuisine, and I've tried to collaborate a lot of other cuisines like small staple foods from Darjeeling, Kalimpong, Nepal. So, for example, we have brought authentic jol momo from Nepal, aloo mimi and aloo thukpa from Darjeeling, and your ting momo and shaftas from Kalimpong. So many food. We have more ideas coming up, so hopefully we'll put on a lot on the plates.
Okay, Mr. Trilok, thank you so much for having me and my friends over here.
Same here.
So what cuisines are you offering us today?
For you guys, I've customized our menu. There are around like 11 items I've thought about. I've already shared with my chef, and hopefully there are a few items from Nepal, a few from Bhutan, and some local items like Indo-Chinese and Tibetan items. So I would like to give you a surprise, so one by one we'll follow.
Okay, I'm excited to try them all. Okay, that's really good. Oh my god. It's really juicy. There's a very generous amount of meat in it. The stuffing is really good. It really tastes like the stuffing of momos. It's really delicious. I have no other words for it. It's Hill's Kitchen special combo non-veg. So here we have a combination of fried rice, chicken shapta and momos. Let's try it out and see. It's warm. It's not spicy surprisingly, and I think that's a good thing because then most people can have it. The meat is really tender and it's full of this amazing sauce, full of flavor. amazing. It's another combo. So this one has veg garlic noodles with chicken. It looks really yummy. Oh my god, I can't wait to try it. Okay. I am going to be so full. This one is equally amazing as the last combo. Oh my god, it's so good. So good. I'm done. Wait. Another one? Oh my god. So this is a Bhutanese dish. So this is red rice imported all the way from Bhutan, and this is the kewa, so which is like cheese and potatoes. Oh my god, I have to try it. Interesting. I've never had red rice before, but it's really good. Okay, let me try the kewa dashi. This looks like a custard. Oh my god. This is genuinely good. Hachi, oh my god. I've never had this before. Oh my god. Oh my god. So good. Just when I thought I was done, they offer me another dish, and it is my duty as a foodie to indulge in it. So this is tea momo with shamu. Yeah, with shamu datsi. So this is, instead of potatoes, they have mushroom in this one. So okay, let's try it. Really good. The sauce, oh my god. You have to come to Hill's Kitchen just for the sauce. I'm telling you, it's amazing. So good. Okay, I will try using chopstick to have samudatsu. Oh, success! So good. My new favorite dish, guys. Kevadatsi and shamudatsi. I cannot use the chopstick. Wait, oh, there we go. This dish is jhol momo, which is a dish from Kathmandu, Nepal. So it's really popular there, and I am so stoked to try this. This looks like, oh my god, this is such a feel. I cannot. Oh my god. The jhol or the sauce, the gravy really adds a different flavor to the momos. It's so good. I think it's made of like sesame seeds and I don't know, other ingredients. It's really good. You won't get this anywhere, at least something that tastes so delicious in the city. I mean, you will get this dish in other restaurants, but not as tasty as this. And this is like really authentic. It's really like, it does feel like it came straight from Kathmandu, Nepal. So good. You guys have to try this one. The best for the last. So this is pork ribs and barbecue sauce and caramelized brown sugar with a topping of sesame seeds and some herbs. It is really tasty, really juicy and tender, and it's just food gasm in your mouth. So tasty. Like I just can't get enough of it. I'm so stuffed. We are finally done with all the dishes here in Hill's kitchen. So, what did I think about it? The dishes were really delicious, and as a person from Darjeeling, I can really say that these dishes that were offered to us were really authentic. They got the taste right, and like the presentation, the taste, everything was so perfect. The place is really tiny though, so it only has like 2 tables. But despite that, I think you all should come here and check it out for authentic food. You know, you get Bhutanese, Tibetan, Chinese, Nepalese food, like I said before earlier in my video, and you can have all of them right here at Bill's Kitchen in Newtown. So guys, I hope you really liked this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.